The U.S. Supreme Court may dampen Trump's tariff strategy, but he still has other options. As the U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the case challenging Donald Trump's sweeping use of emergency tariffs, there were a few things that seemed to be getting clearer after the nearly 3-hour hearing in Learning Resources versus Trump, the case challenging the legality of Trump's tariffs. 1. That most of the 9 justices, given their sharp questioning, seem to doubt the legality of the imposition of these tariffs for one reason or another. An adverse verdict could potentially have major knock-on implications for the American president's tariff agenda and global trade. 2. The measures being challenged by a number of small businesses and a group of American states, which have raised the contention that the president has overstepped his authority in imposing the levies, seem to have some basis. Trump has increasingly taken an expansive view of presidential power, given that he likes pushing the limits on everything. This, however, poses some pertinent legal questions when it comes to tariffs, since under the American Constitution, the U.S. Congress has the right to impose taxes. So, the key question here is, are tariffs tantamount to a tax and, consequently, are Trump's tariffs legal? The early line of questioning by the judges seems to suggest that they think tariffs are clearly taxes, which are paid by American businesses and citizens. Third, the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, passed way back in 1977, has been broadly interpreted as according U.S. presidents some emergency powers. But do the reasons cited by John Sauer, the U.S. Solicitor General, before the judges as grounds for invocation of these tariffs under IEEPA, addressing the fentanyl crisis and tackling trade deficits, constitute a genuine emergency trigger? The fentanyl crisis, for instance, has impacted the U.S. for the better part of the last couple of decades, while America has had a trade deficit with most trading partners since the late 1970s. So, where's the emergency trigger? The broad inference after the oral hearing seems to be that there could be an element of executive overreach in the use of IEEPA.